Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope you will be fine. Let's start our work. Students, today we will discuss about an amazing story, which is the baby rabbits. You know very well about rabbits. You will see it in cartoons, in child short movies. Okay, let's take out your English readers from your bags. Open your English reader, page number 11. Students, this story is supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. We start the lesson, the baby rabbits. Fluffy and Fred. Fluffy and Fred are rabbits. Who are Fluffy and Freds? They are rabbits. They are rabbits. They are brother and sister. They live with Amma rabbit and Papa rabbit. They like to play in the forest. Their favorite food is carrot. What is their favorite food? Their favorite food is carrot. Okay students, stay blessed, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.